The Campaign Charts view gives you a sneak peek into how your UTM campaigns are performing over time. In this video, we're looking at the campaign charts for the Visitor Analytics website. By selecting the last 7 days statistics option, we will get the following data. The organic traffic versus traffic from URL campaigns by weekdays box will show you how many of your visitors were generated by organic traffic and how many were generated through campaigns. This lets you see the impact the campaigns had on your website traffic for each day of the week. The number of visitors per UTM source by weekdays shows you the number of website visitors coming from each source daily. This could be a newsletter or a landing page. Number of visitors per UTM campaign by weekdays lets you see how many visitors each campaign got daily in the previous week. Using this information, you can analyze which campaigns are the best performing, or more easily put, what works and what doesn't, what sources are worth investing time and money in, and which days are best for launching a campaign. When we switch to the 12 months view, we get a great overview of the general performance of the campaigns over the last year. We get to see the same data as before, only this time on a larger scale. The last year's view selector provides historical data for the past years. Altogether, these options offer insights into your campaign's performance and user activity. Thank you for watching.